In our last video, I promised to show you how to break a business to help it grow. I introduced you to our family business as proof. Mistakes were being made because every lot was being handled several times between when it was listed and when it was sold. There were a lot of days during that time where very little actual work went on. We audited our shelves continuously and kept finding errors. We trained our employees better, hammered home how careful we had to be to avoid eBay's wrath. But nothing was getting better. What had gone wrong? Our new system with cards had allowed us to scale up so quickly, but we hit a new ceiling. Was this all that our business could do? Had we been betrayed by Occam's razor and cheaped out on some solution to our problem? Today I'll finish the story and show you how we outgrew and future-proofed our inventory storage. While we knew that we needed to keep our stock organized, we failed to realize the implications of our new system when it grew. We ignored some of the problem to deliver us a quick and easy solution. While our new handy card system worked for a short while, it failed as soon as we expanded the business. It couldn't grow with us. Occam's pit is the tendency to apply a solution that is too simple for the problem at hand. It leads to significant improvements in the short term. Because the solution is so easy, people move on and fail to see the pit they've dug. This is where the second bounding principle comes in. Ashby's law, or more commonly known as the law of requisite variety, recognizes the need for any solution to address the complexity of the problem. Specifically, it states, any system must have a degree of complexity compared to the system it is governing. The bigger the problem, the bigger the solution. Using these two bounding principles, we can identify the three solution zones in our diagram. The bottom right, where our solution is more complex than our problems. I like to call it Ashby's convoluted contraptions. It's a solution that looks pretty, does a whole lot, but it takes so much work and solves so little. In the opposite corner is Occam's pit, where the problems are more complex than the solution. Half-hearted attempts to solve problems just dig you in a deeper hole, where they reemerge sometime later to cause much bigger problems. Right in the middle is the Goldilocks zone, a solution that is neither too complex nor too simple. So how do we arrive there? First, we start with a good outline of our problem. And in the bookstore, we had all sorts of problems. After spending weeks putting out fires and juggling systems that were fundamentally broken, we went back to the drawing board. As an aside, I'd like to take a moment to turn off the background here. I'm here in our filming room, and this beside me is a large whiteboard hung on the wall. You can buy 4x8 boards like this from your local home improvement store for $20 or so. I've hung these in my house for years, and I use them to brainstorm ideas, help my kids and grandkids with their homework, and all sorts of to-do lists. I highly recommend them to everyone. So, like I said, we went to the drawing board, like this. We listed our problems. We need to find inventory every time. We need to find the inventory quickly. We cannot touch the inventory between listing and sale. By this time, we decided to build a database to run the business. But how would our shelving work? Our final proposal looks something like this. Lot cards that would have a barcode on them. Barcodes reduce errors and speed up operations. Each stack, bay, and shelf would have a unique barcode and a label on it. Once this lot is made and uploaded, we scanned the lot and the shelf location. The database now knows where every lot is, down to the exact shelf. We no longer needed to move lots around or visually search for each lot. When we make the sale, the employee got a printout with a 3-digit number on it that told us exactly where to look for it, and the 6-digit lot number. But does this solution fix the problems? Since the lots are clearly labeled, we can find them every time. Since the shelves are labeled, we can find the inventory quickly. Since the inventory never needs to move, it goes untouched between listing and sale. We proposed a lot of other solutions as well, some more complex, some less. By using Occam's razor to simplify the solution and Ashby's law to ensure that it met our needs, we found the solution that was right in the middle, in the Goldilocks zone. The key to lean manufacturing, agile programming, or any sort of business operation really is to keep improving. This new inventory system did great. It's been a few years. A lot has happened. We aren't on eBay anymore. We sell books individually instead of in lots. We still use the shelf labeling system we designed on a whiteboard in our basement. Right now, for example, I'm looking for shelf H35 and bin I21, and here's the book right back here, just where it should be. Okay, we sold a copy of Redwall by Brian Jocks to one of our favorite customers. He likes to send in handwritten letters asking us for specific books. Well, we don't work with the business, well, I don't work with the business every single day. I'm really proud of what we built. Our extended family has a degree of independence because of this bookstore. We have the tools to break it and build it back even better. I hope this gives you some insight into how to grow your business. Do you own or are you a part of a small business? If so, comment below. Share us your experiences with inventory management and growing a business. If you have any questions about this subject or others, leave us a comment. We'd love to talk about them. If you're interested in the barcodes we made for the business using just Microsoft Word, take a look at this video that's on the screen where I take you through the step-by-step process to do it. Thanks for watching Pharos Leadership, and have a great day.